Everyone, welcome to my channel. Those of you who don't know me, my name is Karen and I normally make roller skating content here on YouTube and on my other social media accounts. I also do lifestyle and makeup. So if you guys are interested in my other social media, it's just the same at Karen the Carrot. And yeah, thank you for being here. For today's video, I am back at a skate park. I'm gonna be here with my good friend Lana and we're gonna talk about skate park skating without slide blocks. Now, I have skates with slide blocks and without slide blocks, and to be honest, I kind of prefer without them most of the time. But since now we are in a day and age of a lot of people roller skating on the internet, a lot of people have also upgraded their skates and they think that you need slide blocks to be able to skate ramps or transition or skate park of any kind. And I'm here to tell you that that's not necessarily true. You can still do a lot without slide blocks. And personally for me, slide blocks are a little bit scary because I have taken some pretty hard falls where like you don't slide correctly and it's just like boom to the ground. So yeah, I hope you guys can enjoy this video and you can appreciate your skates even if you haven't upgraded them yet. So yeah, let's go. Okay, let's see those skates. No block. Look at, she got no slide blocks too. Blocks away. Blocks away. Go ahead, roll in. So good. Oh! Damn! Okay, endurance! That was so good! So what's your name, girl?
My name is Leah. This is my setup. I have the Moxie Jack boot with the Avanti magnesium plate.
Magnesium plate.
The disco block.
Okay.
Which,
Do you have white trucks? You
yeah,
do,
I
huh?
have the Brunny hardcore trucks.
Nice.
Personally, I really like those.
Ooh, what size? The 3s or the
The 2.5.
2.5? Wait, let me see again. Let me see the front. Oh, you're right. Okay, I did notice that you have the Brunny ones, but I didn't know what size. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And have you always park skated with blocks?
I have. I started off with the Wild Bones. Wasn't a huge fan of them, and now I have the disco blocks, which I'm also not a huge fan of. So
Which one would you want to get?
I recently just ordered the Brunny blocks, so I'm very excited about those.
Ooh.
Yeah,
I'm excited to see them on your skates.
Me too. I ordered the pink one, so I feel like it'd be super cute. I've
yeah.
heard a lot of good things about them, so.
Yeah, me too.
I've never skated, like park skated without blocks, so I think it'd be interesting to like try it out and see how I feel about it.
Yeah. Did you just want to get like your park set up and be like, I'm done? I feel like that's why people usually start with it, because they're like, nah, I just want to do it, get used to it.
And like for when I first started too, I got the idea that like I couldn't drop in without blocks into my head, which is like not true.
Yes, exactly. That's what people were telling me.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks, dude.
Of course.
We'll be on the lookout for those new blocks.
Yeah.
Oh.
Whoa!
Ow.
Yeah, my toe.
What's your name?
My name's Lana. I've been park skating for about 1.5 years already. This is my setup. Yeah, she doesn't have any slide blocks, but I still love to skate in them. You can do a lot of tricks without slide blocks. I do plan on getting some eventually, maybe. I don't know. I'm just kind of scared because I don't know how it's gonna feel. I like the feeling of the clicking, or not the clicking,
Like latching?
the latching on, and I'm scared about getting them. But if you guys have any recommendations, this is my set. I don't know what's compatible.
The Bonts.
Yep, I don't have any white trucks either. This is the original set besides the wheels. The wheels I switched out. I don't like the Bont wheels. Sorry, Bont. I don't like your wheels.
Which ones are these?
These are gonna be the Roller Bones team. I think these are actually derby wheels. I'm not sure.
But they're harder.
Yeah, they're 98A.
All right, nice.
Yeah.
Thank you. You got that. Ooh. That was good. How did that feel?
My toe hurts. Also get some insoles because yeah, my feet hurt. Well, basically none.
Bro, that's a freaking potato chip. What is that? What is that?
What is this, Bont? I'm sorry.
Bont.
I'm hating on Bont right now. But I love your guys' boots.
Are you kidding me? Nice. Oh my gosh. Okay, can we do that again? Ready? What an amazing skate day I had today. Honestly, I really needed it because I've been taking care of my little dog. She's been sick, so I've just been on like caretaker duty, and I haven't really been focusing on my health, my mental health, and thankfully skating helps with both. I'm so grateful to all the girls that were there today. They really made the sesh so much better. There you guys have it. Ramp skating without slide blocks is totally possible. You might even prefer it. So if you're a beginner, I would suggest, out of my experience, to practice without a block first so you can kind of get used to stalls and fakie stalls and just kind of like being on the coping before you add something that can make you slide. Just my opinion. Or you can be like Leah, where she just got her entire park set up and she just started going to a skate park like that. So it's up to you, but when I go skating, I like to ask other skaters their opinions on their setups and how they learn, and I find that information very valuable. So I thought that sharing it with you guys, my audience, would also bring some value to it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this type of content and you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you guys need any skates, wheels, skate gear, or anything like that, you guys can go to pigeonskates.com and use my coupon code carrot. Put it right here, and that's gonna give you a nice little discount that helps you and me and all of us. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.